Red Armor. Fight number 149, Honey Mogol of LOCNHS Blue Armor versus Fatima Tricosa of General Santos Comprehensive School Red Armor. Fight number 150, Canamaline Colorado of Banza National High School Blue Armor versus Maria Ina Roa of Xavier University Red Armor. Fight number 151, Maverick Pastor Fide of Corpus Christi School Blue Armor versus Tracy Fortunado of Iligan National High School Red Armor. Fight number 152, Claire Cuna of Lang National High School Blue Armor versus Mary Ann Espina of Holy Trinity San Red Armor. Fight number 153, National High School Red Armor. Fight number 144 to 155, this is your first call. We are